Since 2012, TrojanLabel has been the global leader of innovation for digital label presses and specialty printers. With rugged designs meant for 24/7 high-volume production, TrojanLabel offers a versatile and powerful lineup for label converters and commercial printers. From the presses themselves to our unequaled technical support, user-friendly software, sustainable inks, and professional label materials developed in-house, TrojanLabel provides a complete labeling and specialty printing solution. With all the characteristics of a much larger label press, our flagship T2 provides operators with a compact, industrial-grade digital press. With its 600mm OD roll capacity and automatic tension control, the T2 advances in-house labeling production and converts labels more efficiently, easily producing large volumes of labels in a short period of time. The T3OP facilitates high-quality, full-color printing directly onto ink-receptive materials such as cardboard, postcards, boxes, paper bags, wooden planks, and more. With lower ink consumption and cost per material, the T3OP is a flexible and efficient solution for packaging professionals. Opening new doors in the industry, the T2C is a digital tabletop press that incorporates the same print engine, tension control, and web handling as the T2, all in a dramatically smaller footprint. With its straight feed feature, short web path, and high-capacity ink tanks, the T2C allows for fewer interruptions and impeccable registration with little to no waste. Complete with an advanced label printing press, laminator, and die-cutting feature, the T4 offers an all-in-one solution from start to finish. With its semi-rotary and full rotary die-cutting feature, the T4 produces blank die-cut labels at impressive speeds of up to 18 meters per minute. Shortening production cycles, the T4 efficiently adapts to frequent setup changes, with minimum downtime for maximum profitability. TrojanLabel continues to lead the way in innovative labeling solutions for printing professionals around the world. If you're ready to take the next step in labeling, visit TrojanLabel.com or call 1-401-828-4000.